You can't go wrong with this egg stew in any Ghanaian home. This is our go-to meal, very easy to make and also delicious. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make it. In a pot, add in some coconut oil, then add some onions, garlic, then give it a good stir. Stir for a few minutes, then add in your tomato paste. Stir fry for a few minutes, then add in your freshly chopped tomatoes. Add some pepper and allow to cook. Then I added some sausages. This is optional though. You can add in any spice of your choice and also any vegetables you would like to use. I added some tuna flakes and then the main ingredient, our eggs. Cover and cook for a few minutes under low heat. Stir gently so our eggs can be lumpy in the stew. Cook for a few minutes, then you are good to go. Our stew is ready. I pair this with spaghetti, but I usually eat it with rice, plantain, yam. You can eat this with any dish of your choice. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try it. Trust me guys, you are gonna love it. Don't forget to follow my channel for more videos. Please like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.